Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create Google Form without sign in. So usually if you want to create a Google Form, you need to sign in with your email, but there is a way you can create without need to sign in with your email. It's very easy. Just open first the form that you already created by signing in, of course, and then go to this response, go to the settings, sorry, and this is the response option. Make sure the collect email addresses feature do not collect. So after that, you can make question required by default is turned off. From default also do not collect, and allow response editing here turn on, and then send. So this one you can copy this link, you can copy here and try to open in incognito window, or you can open in another phone, paste, and let's see here. You can use this Google Form. You can create the Google Form without login first. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.